I'm Karen, and today I'd like to talk to you about the concentrated boosters that are available from Dermalogica. Now, because these sell out super quick in salon, I've only got 2 to show you, but we're going to talk through the 4 of the range. Boosters are kind of, I suppose, similar to maybe a serum that you might be using at the moment. That's how you can relate to them. They're a treatment fix that can be used underneath your moisturiser to allow deeper penetration of the product and pretty much instant results, which is really good. You can use them seasonally. I use mine whenever there's a season change because my skin reacts quite badly to weather changes, but they're also there as treatments if you're getting married and you want your skin to look nice and bright or firm or hydrated. They're great if you haven't used any products for a while and you're wanting to get into a new routine and you want a quick fix. And they're really good for just dull, dehydrated or kind of lifeless looking skin as well, so they're a great pick-me-up. So the one we're going to have a look at first is the Gentle Soothing Booster. This is great for sensitive or sensitised skins. The difference being a sensitive skin is something that you're born with, it's all part of your genetics. A sensitised skin is all about the extrinsic factors, so what you may have done negatively towards your skin that has led it to sensitivity. So the Gentle Soothing Booster, you're going to pop on after your cleanser, after your toner, and if you've had an exfoliant or a mask that you've put on, you pop it on after that and it goes on just before your moisturiser. It penetrates really quickly because it is a thinner substance than that of your moisturiser. Basically, when you open this up, it's got a little nozzle on the top and you want to tip it into the palm of your hands and you want about 5 to 6 drops, and that's going to do everything from the forehead right down to the neck. You can also patchwork these products, which is fantastic if you've got areas of different concerns. So for instance, for me, my sensitivity is over my cheeks and my nose, so that's where I'm going to put this particular one. But because I might be concerned with signs of ageing, I might use the Extra Firming Booster more towards my eyes. So really good to patchwork depending on your concerns. So I should mention as well that I've got in front of me the Dermalogica book. Now this is kind of our secret weapon, and this contains all of their products as well as all the ingredients and all the benefits. So that I don't miss out on any hints and tips for you, we're going to be referring to this too. The Gentle Soothing Booster has honey contained in it, which is really good at replenishing the skin, but also it binds moisture. So not only is this good for sensitive skins, it's also good for dehydrated skins. There's a better one for drier skin types, which we'll go on to, but if you're dehydrated, sometimes it can create lines or sensitivity, so this is the one that you want to be using over those. Referring to the book, it's also really good for if you get windburn or breakouts because it's really soothing, and it's got an oil-free formula, so unlike some of the products that you can use for dehydrated skins, it's not going to leave a greasy feel on the surface because you sometimes find those products tend to be a bit richer and they leave a shine, whereas this won't do that for you. So really, really nice product. Going on to the Extra Firming Booster, this you want about, again, 6 to 10 drops of. It's brilliant for premature signs of ageing. It's really good for fine lines, so it helps to plump those out and diminish the signs of deep set wrinkles. Again, you're going to use it in exactly the same way. It's quite a thin product, so it's not going to leave a greasy feel on the skin, and you're going to apply it right from the forehead down to the neck, and you're going to patchwork where necessary. So, referring to my book, it's telling me that it gives a flash firming effect, so it's going to work really, really well with the antioxidant Hydro Mist because that has that effect too. So this is going to be working underneath your moisturiser, whereas the antioxidant Hydro Mist works on the surface of your moisturiser and going to be topped up during the day, so the two are going to work really well together. It noticeably restores suppleness and diminishes the appearance of fine dryness lines. So like we were saying, probably not the best product for dry skin, but really helps if you've got dry eyes, and it's causing those premature aging lines around the eyes, which I do get quite a lot if I've had lack of sleep, so really, really good for me. And looking as well, we've got protein peptides, which are going to help to instantly firm the skin, so that's where that flash firming comes in. So really good for premature signs of ageing and really good to work alongside the Age Smart range in Dermalogica. So the other 2 come in similar boxes, but we've got your Skin Hydrating Booster, and now this is the one I've been referring to when I say it's not the best for dry skins. This one is. It's super, super hydrating, super moisturising, so if you've got dry skin, or if you've, like me, struggle with season changes, or if you've just come back off holiday and you're feeling really dry and dehydrated, this is definitely the better booster to go for. Again, it's got that non-greasy formula, so it's not going to leave a heavy substance on the surface of the skin, and it hydrates the tissues to improve suppleness, so it's really penetrating through the skin and helping to work from inside out. And then the final one that we're going to look at is the Skin Renewal Booster. Now this is probably, I think it is actually the second most powerful exfoliant that is in the retail range of the Dermalogica collection. and it's really good for renewing the skin. So if you've got issues such as pigment, hyperpigmentation, old scarring, acne scarring, if you're getting continual breakouts, then it's really good to renew and replenish the skin using this booster. Like I say, it is quite a powerful exfoliant, so please don't just pick it up willy-nilly. Please ask for assistance or guidance from a Dermalogica specialist, because it is quite powerful. We would advise not using this when you're pregnant as well for that kind of reason. Having a look in our book, it's promoting exfoliation, which we said munches away at those dead skin cells, brightens and rejuvenates the skin pretty instantly. Improves the skin texture because of this as well, so like we were saying, if you've got uneven or pigmented skin, it's really good for. And it's minimalising the signs of premature ageing, because again, as we're renewing the skin cells, we're actually stimulating collagen and elastin, so it's really good for those fine lines. So hopefully that's helped you when deciding which booster to use. And remember, a booster is kind of a quick fix to a certain degree, but it's more of a treatment that needs to be put underneath your moisturiser. We use these probably about 8 weeks or so as a treatment, and they've got a year shelf life on, so please don't panic if you use it as a treatment and actually it does fix your skin. You can still use it further on in the year should you get any other concerns. So for any other hints and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is The Relaxation Den, and follow us on Twitter @Relaxation Den, and we'll see you soon.